when you're doing a demo, and you have to take a machine offline. All right. So we got the machine, and I'm going to take it offline here, and then we're going to do a process elevation. All right. So essentially, I'm going to come in here. I'm just going to change the address so it can't find anything, and you're going to see it knuckle down over here on the taskbar on the tray. You'll see that I will have no internet access. You see that right there? I'll even do a status. No internet access. Okay. Hold on. Let's just do a quick browser check here. Yeah, we have no internet access. The Ethernet connection's still there. It's just there's no connectivity. That's what we're getting ready to see here. Yeah. So I knew that was going to happen, and I'll show you this is how it all works here in a second. So here we go. So we have no internet access. I'm going to come in here and I'm going to go to Nord installer, and I'm going to try to install this with no connectivity. There's a little lag here, so just bear with me. All right. So not been approved, blah, blah, blah. Have no internet. You see how now here? So no internet access. You see that down at the bottom? Okay. For a demo with friends. All right. Here we go. Click continue. Oh, please work. Oh, geez. I know it will. It's just one of those things where if you don't acknowledge it, oh, no, unable to reach the server. Oh, here we go. You see how I can't reach the server here? You see that with I'm going to generate a verification code. All right. Now, what I'm going to do over here, now I'm going to reshare over another machine. So that code, they're going to call into the help desk, and they're going to say, give me a code. And so I'm going to put that code into this box there. So give me a sec here. I'm going to share over here, and we'll do this live. So we're in the machine here. You can see the new machine. I'll go back in. This is my secret server, my privilege manager box here.
You're not sharing yet if you think you're ever.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
I've got to look at my big old mug until you start sharing again. So I know when you're not sharing.
There we go. All right. So I'm going to come in here. I'm going to go to approvals. All right. And then there's offline approvals. And then I'm going to come in here. I'm going to click. So this is them calling in. Now they've called in. And they said, hey, I got a help desk request here. I need to get something approved, and I'm offline. Maybe it's whatever the case may be. It's just whatever it is. Okay. So we're going to click that. And then we have our WinBert here. So I'm going to click on this one there. Now I'm going to put in a code. So give me a sec. Request code is 861420. 861. So the customer, the 861460. So the actual that's coming from the other computer. It was on the screen, okay? And I'll screen capture it just so we have it. Let me do that real quick. Just so you see what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, I'll definitely screen capture this so you can see me typing in that 861420. All right, so 861420, 861420. Now I'm going to generate a response code. Okay. Now I'm going to have to take a picture of this. I'll never remember that. Okay. So you get this code, and you're going to read this back to the person who's offline. All right. I'm going to go back over to the other machine now. So I'm going to share back over to the actual client machine now, and I'm going to type this in. Okay. Okay. So Ned. So this is Ned and so this is where we have our code here. See that right there? So now I'm going to put in the response code that the help desk gave to them to do the approval. Okay, so I'm going to type this. Let me just check it real quick here. Yes, okay, it looks good. I'm going to click continue, and then give it a sec here, and then it's going to come up and it's going to do an approve. So I'm going to approve. Basically, I did the offline approval. I'm doing a Nord installer, and so now Nord is going to install. That is the offline approval method.
Insight has a question for you, Bert.
Yes, go ahead. Sorry.
So, Bert, Like,
Yes.
is this a use case that user doesn't have access to the internet, then he need to perform all these steps, or the use case we are
Yes.
talking about is
Yes.
that machine is in
Yes.
offline and we are trying to reach the mission and reset the password.
Okay, so you got two use cases here. So this first use case is they're trying to install something like NordVPN, or they're trying to install something that is not approved, and the agent knows it. And so it's basically going to indicate them. It's going to say not approved. You need to go through an approval process. This could be for a process running on the computer. Could be a computer program. Could be an installer. Could be a script. Could be accessing a file location on the machine itself. We can do all these with this offline approval code. So basically, they can't do anything unless they get this offline approval code. And this is predicated upon them not having internet access. Okay. So basically, they're kind of maybe stuck in the water, and they don't know what to do. And they have a box that is not connected to the internet. So it's basically you can't even reach into it. So basically, this is a way of us giving you the ability to give an approval code so they can actually get the computer working again, or run a software program that was not approved, or do whatever they need to do. It could even be simple things, network configuration and stuff like that. So that's how this works right here.